Hey, how you doing, guys? So I just got in. It's so hot, man. So I apologize if I'm sweating. The light's glaring. All the things production-wise, edit-wise. It's what it is. So look, I wanted to tell you, if you haven't got in the market yet, if you haven't got into crypto yet, if you haven't got into, or if you're in and you decide you want to make a move, it looks like now is a good time. So we've been going down for quite a while. I said it in a couple of my other videos. But things are moving a little bit at a time. We're still in a good shot. We're good in a good spot here. We're in a bull market, but we're in a bear phase of it. So things have been going down. You got to kind of say it's a bear market when it's going down. But overall, it's still a bull. It's still in the number of years after the halving that happens with Bitcoin is normally a bull market, and that's what we're seeing so far. So there's a few reasons that you know it's still bull, because money's still going into the market. A lot of it's going over the counter, and you're not seeing it on your coinbases and your Binances, but money's still going into the market. People are still buying Bitcoin, and with the price still looking low, dropping down as far as it has, and staying low, now is about as good a time to get in or to reallocate as you're going to find for the rest of the year. So getting in now would be, prices are kind of back at the January kind of position already. So if you didn't get in January, which is the guys who've been in it since 2017, or the guys who, even if you've gotten it after 2018, you've been in it for so long, you watched your money go down so far, then it finally starts going up in January of this year, 2021. Now, you missed that. Okay, we're saying you missed that, and you chose to get in now. You're not coming in at a much worse spot than you were if you were in it then. So you can't beat getting in right now, picking what you want to do, and diving in, and let's hope for the best. It's a little more than hoping for the best, but that's the safe way to say it. Now, when you first come in, which way do you want to start? Do you want to start with Bitcoin? Do you want to get a little Bitcoin and Ethereum? Do you only want to start with Ethereum? Or do you want to just come in on a straight gamble, hustle move, and jump in on the meme coins, jump in on the little rocket ships, I call them, the coins that just take off out of nowhere? Or do you want to get in on the kind of the mood coins, like the NFT market, which early in the year they had a big boom. People were selling NFTs for all kind of money. They were making crazy returns, and then that fizzled out. Now NFTs, which stands for non-fungible tokens, it's a hard thing to describe lightly what it is, but basically, if you get it, like NFTs now are working better with gaming and other sorts of things, and like deeds to house, buying cars, like NFTs attached to physical things are now sort of, they seem to be coming back up. They've been doing well the last few days, the last few maybe even weeks. So you could come in on that, like a wave coin sort of thing, where it's not a meme, it has a real function, it does real things, but it comes and goes. So there's a few different ways you can come in. It all depends on your personality and what kind of person you are, what kind of money you expect, what kind of money you want to put in, and what kind of returns you want to get back. For me, I'm staying, like right now, the way the market starts is Bitcoin moves first. Generally. Right now it's a little different, but Bitcoin moves first. Once Bitcoin goes up and then levels off a little bit, people start selling their Bitcoin because the momentum died a little bit, and they start dropping it down to the altcoins. Ethereum, the Cardano, maybe BNB, some other things like that. Then those seem to rise up, because the amount of money that Bitcoin has in this market, when it drops a little and dibbles a little and money comes out of there, that's a huge pump for the smaller coins with a much smaller market cap. So those coins take off. Then as they start to level out, the money filters down into even smaller altcoins, and those ones are so small that the amount of money that makes it down to them rockets those out of this atmosphere. So that's where I'm playing most of my game, but it's because I've been in a while and I'm comfortable with my ETH, I'm comfortable with my Bitcoins, and I'm kind of betting on the small coins to really change my level here. So what are you looking for whenever you get into one? If you haven't got in it, what's your goal? Where are you starting in this process? Are you just coming in? Are you looking for your first Bitcoin? You want to just come in and gamble right away? Tell me in the comments maybe, like what you're looking to get into, and maybe I can come up with a little help along those lines and get you more into that phase of the game. Because I think it should come in phase. I think you should have Bitcoin first. I think you should have ETH next, Ethereum. Then I think you should start going into the smaller coins, the Matics, the V chains, the maybe even Cardano. I don't really pump Cardano, but they have a huge following. So yeah, that's where we are today. I want you to get in. I want you to watch some more videos. Enjoy the market. It's turning a little green again over the weekend. Weird thing. Fridays tend to be down. It's up a little, like 0.8%. So it's not bad. This might be a turnaround point where we start getting some momentum up and get that DeFi summer, they call it. And I'm hoping for that. And I wish you luck. Work the market the best you can. And I hope you make some money out there. Take care.